Tell you no swearing.
No. Yeah, I know swearing.
Boxing is not about this. Boxing's about this. Boxing is like a chess game.
Yeah, all right, fuck. Yes, not that. Fuck, not fuck, yes.
So, are you on drugs?
Anger is your biggest tool. Fighting angry, that drains you twice as fast. Yeah, the guy in the ring is your enemy, but if all you're trying to do is kill him, then you expose yourself. You leave yourself vulnerable. Gotta protect yourself. Make his mistakes be his destruction. Right now, you got two weapons. A shotgun and a grenade. All power, no precision. I want you to use your other arsenal. There you go, tap. 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 There you go. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. What you want me to do? This is the wall, right here. Our back's against the wall. It's part of the wall. Blocking our chin. Huh? Shielding yourself to block anything that comes that way. You right here? Step and slide forward. Roll. Just step and slide. Forward. Roll. Just the angle. Just the angle. All right? Let's do it real slow. Take your time. Let's do it. Good. 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 Slide it. Now I hear it now. Slide it. Yeah, I hear it now. Step.